Scheintag en tijd in het bos. Iemand heeft bij zo'n schijnt gesneeuwd en kapoen en test. Ik was het laten kema transmitons en zaten mikla. Pesje met twankest en 3 kilometer status. Ja, dan pak hem zo het test. Ketsaco. Eu pakai madame Schürz eu tava conscious. Hi guys, this is what I basically made when I was speaking my language. It's not even so. I'm obsessed with speaking languages because I'm not so good at speaking English, but I'm not also so good at speaking like Afrikaans, like let's say like for all the languages people speak. Like I'm good with Spanish, Venezuelan. That's why my bias in Cat's Eye is probably Daniela Avanzini because Daniela Andrea Avanzini. That's her full name. Because only true Daniela fans, only true Danny fans will know her full name. Daniela Andrea Avanzini. So she's basically a bias because why I like Daniela. She's basically for me she's a good person because she is nice. Like in where my non asked who's normal in that live when they were being mean to Lara, and then she said, "Not to my Lara." That's why I love Janet so much. But I also said it, Manon and Sophia on hiatus because Sophia, as I do love Sophia, Sophia's my favorite. Not gonna lie, Sophia's my favorite. But she's not my bias. She's just like my favorite. But I love her. That's why I also love but today we got a special package. Thank you, I'm gonna sponsor Bargain Babies for sending me this. Thanks. I love you guys. So we're gonna unbox it. As you can see here, so ASMR. It's like basically like a box, but it shows like an astronaut, a little bit of astronaut shining a light. So we gotta see that still because it's a mystery box. So they just put like random custom pictures on here, so we don't even know if it's a mystery box or not. Yeah, it's the astronauts. This is mystery astronauts, so we don't know which one. But I think it's basically gonna be